Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. I hope you just watched Shambi, amazing artist, love her to death. If you haven't checked out her channel, please do. You really won't regret it. She's an amazing artist. Alright, so today we're just going to have some fun with Wombat whipped up some new sexy custom colours. So we're going to do a big radial and have some fun. So kick back, put those feet up, start toe tapping. I'll see you at the end.
Like poison in my veins, this love for you is dangerous. Makes me go insane, the feeling is glorious. Pulling like an undertow, you've got me heart and soul. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything for you. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I give it all, throw it all away. Feel you like a cold rush. I give everything, I do anything for you. 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 I give everything 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 for you. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you. I've always known it was there, but I haven't felt it till now. This glass ceiling and invisible barrier, it holds me down. It holds me down. Fragile as I seem, I won't go without a fight. It only takes one dreamer for a spark to take in light. Can't hold me down, I will rise. Can't push me down, I will fight. Can't put me out, I will rise. Can't hold me down, I will rise. it was there, but I've never seen it till now. This glass ceiling and invisible barrier, it holds me down. Fragile as I seem, I won't go without a fight. It only takes one dreamer for a spark to take in light. Can't hold me down, I will rise. Can't push me down, I will fight. Can't put me out, I will lie. Can't hold me down, I will rise. Can't hold me down. To be broken, so I'll break through the walls. Nothing's gonna stop me now. No barrier can hold me down, 'cause I will rise. Can't hold me down, I will rise. Can't push me down, I will fight. Can't put me out, I will lie. Can't hold me down, I will rise. Can't hold me down. I don't know where to turn. Been wandering these halls inside my heart. Been calling out, but all I hear is the echo. Caught up in the maze of my emotions. Caught up in the sound of my own voice. My heart is the labyrinth. My heart is the labyrinth. There's no map inside these walls. Lost in the twists and turns. My heart is the labyrinth. Follow that still small voice, blocking out all the noise.
There's no map inside these walls.
Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed that close-up reel. Just a big 20-inch radial. I had a ball. A lot of fun. Have a go. And that is it for me this week, guys. As always, thank you for watching. We really appreciate all your love and support here from all of us at the Fluid Art Express. And as always, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't.